Okay, guys, I'm trying to fix my hair so I don't look weird in the video. Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. So, if you haven't noticed, I posted my video last on Saturday, and this time I'm gonna be posting it on Saturday again. So every single Saturdays I'll be posting a video, so stay tuned. But actually, I have already filmed a video during the weekend, and I was gonna post it on Saturday, but me and my dumb self deleted it, and now I'm like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? I don't have enough time, because usually I take more than one day to film a video and edit it. But surprisingly, I didn't film it, like I edited it, because it's not like a filmed video, but I'm filming this right now. I edited it, and then I was like, oh, finally I'm done, because I literally started around like, I'm gonna say 2, 3, and it's 6 right now. It took me a really long time to like edit it and everything, but I hope you enjoy, and be honest for the questions, guys. Be honest, because today we're gonna be playing in or out. So basically, if you don't know what that game is basically I'm just gonna show clips of people playing with slime and stuff, and then I'm gonna be asking a question that relates with the slime, and then you have to answer them, and then it's gonna say like, if you like this, you're out, or if you like this, you're in, and basically you keep answering them, and at the end, comment below if you're in or are you out. So when the whole video ends, if you're out, then too bad. If you're in, good job. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go on to the video. Roll the intro.
Like a Hellcat.
enjoyed that video. Comment below if you are in or out. Comment of the day, in or out. So I played it myself and I was out because the last question was if you like eggs or like scrambled eggs or just regular eggs, or if you like eggs for breakfast or eggs for dinner. It doesn't matter. If you like them, then you're out. And I obviously like them, so I was out. And yeah, so I was out. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye guys. Roll on the, oh wait, don't forget to subscribe, guys. What am I doing? I'm gonna end the video without saying don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Comment down below. The question of the day is, were you in or you out? Turn on those post notifications so you get notified every single Saturdays when I post a new video. And don't forget to share this YouTube channel with other people because I want to get to at least 1 million subscribers, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Now, rolling the outro.